work on coordination of 4 limbs today. Here we go. So we're gonna start off by taking the drums for a walk. That just means I'm gonna do kick drum and hi-hat alternating back and forth. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my hands here and do single strokes, alternating right, left, eighth notes with the hands, quarter note kicks. It's gonna be like this. Okay, good. Once you get that down, you wanna work your hands around the kit. For now, I'm gonna get my right hand moving from the snare drum to the floor tom, snare drum to the rack tom, while I'm still doing the kick and hi-hat ostinato down below. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get my left hand moving around, but I'm gonna move it around from my snare drum to my rack tom to my hi-hat. And what's gonna be interesting about that is the hi-hat's gonna be opening up when I hit the hi-hat with my hand. Okay, there it is. Have some fun with it. Get coordinated.